Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about reverse parking, and I will be specifically explaining the most important thing about reverse parking. Now let's get right into the video. I'm going to turn this camera around and I will explain it to you. Now there are many things that you have to do when you are reverse parking, and with regards to safety, the most important thing is going to be looking around, but that's not what I'm going to talk about in this video. In this video I will be talking about the most important thing with regards to actually maneuvering the car into the spot, because safety is straightforward. Make sure it is safe to move the car and continue to proceed to move the car into the spot. But moving it into the spot nice and smoothly is a different story. It's a little bit more difficult. If you take a look right here, you can see my left side mirror, and you can see on the inner portion of my left side mirror, I can see the side of my car, okay? As you can see right there, if you have your mirror positioned appropriately, the inner about one quarter to 1/3 of the side mirror will show you the side of your car. And then you can see everything beside the side of your car. If you look on my right side mirror over there, once again, the inner third, give or take, is the side of my car. Now, when you are maneuvering your car, reversing it, maneuvering it into a parking spot, those are the two most important things. That is the most important thing, your side mirrors, because they show you exactly where the sides of your car are. Now, if you take a look, behind me over there I am, hello. Behind me there is that black car right over there, and then there's a spot right beside it. Now you can kind of see the edge of that car right there, and there's a spot right beside it. I am not lined up with the spot. If anything, I'm kind of just like lined up as if I would reverse into the black car over there, or even the white SUV, because I'm on an angle. But what I'm going to show you how to do is how to maneuver your car into the spot. Now, like I said, safety comes first, so make sure you're looking all around as you reverse. But when you're ready, okay, and continue to look all around as you reverse, you're going to put your car in reverse, like I said, and make sure safety comes first. But for this video, I'm not going to be talking about safety so much. I'm just going to be showing you. So I know that I have to get my car, the rear of my car, to go to my right. So I'm going to steer to my right. Now I'm going to start reversing, and I'm going to look. So once again, I'm going to steer to my right. I'm going to look in that mirror, and you can see right there, I'm keeping an eye on when the side of my car clears that black car right there. So as you can see right there, right about now, I am in the position to start turning the wheel backwards. So I'm going to start turning the wheel backwards. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly maneuver it into the spot using this mirror right here. And that mirror, I need to basically get it beside that car, and I'm going to turn the wheel to line it up. So I'm going straight back like this, keeping an eye on these mirrors, okay? Now I see that I'm just a touch too close to that car. So I'm gonna actually steer right to get the rear of my car to go to my right, and then steer left again. So I've now moved my car a bit further from that one. As you can see right there, check that out. I can see that I am pretty much almost lined up with that parking space right there, the one right there that you can see that's empty. And if I look in this mirror, you can see that line right there. So I'm just going to continue going backwards, and I'm going to maneuver my car into that space, okay? Now we have the rear view camera over here that we can use to see, but generally speaking, if you don't have a rear view camera, this will work wonders, because as you can see, there's the line right there, okay? And I can see my car relative to the side of this car. So I'm just going to go straight back. Now this car is a bit on an angle over here in that spot, but you can see I still have plenty of room. I am pretty much straight in that parking spot, and you can't really see the line too well. There it is. But if I look in my mirrors, I can literally see that I guided my car right into the spot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drive forward, and I'll show you a straight backward, I should say, method. So right now, I've lined my car up with the parking spot. I'm going to put the car in reverse. If I look over here in this mirror, I can see I'm lined up in the spot. And with that mirror, I can see I'm lined up in the spot. So now I'm going to pretty much go straight backwards, and I can maneuver my wheel a little bit. But for the most part, I'm just going straight backwards into that spot using this mirror and that mirror as a guide, okay? Once again, all I'm doing, like I said, I'm looking with my head, I'm looking in all directions for safety, but with regards to maneuvering the car, I'm pretty much using the mirrors as my guideline, okay? As you can see right there, it's simple and straightforward. or I should say simple and straight backward. All right, I guess I'm not a comedian, but I tried there anyways. So if you take a look over here, my side mirrors are by far the most important thing when reverse parking with regards to maneuvering the car into the spot. And I wanted to make this video to outline that because a lot of people struggle with reverse parking, but if they use their side mirrors properly, then it'll make the entire process a lot easier. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.